ready to ditch that boring Blooket Tower Defense background and unleash some serious visual flair. I'm about to show you how to personalize your game and make your tower defense battles truly epic first. Understand that Blooket doesn't natively support background customization, so we'll need to get a little creative. The key is using browser extensions or user scripts that allow you to modify website styles for Chrome. A popular option is an extension called Stylus or Stylish. Head to the Chrome web store and search for either of those extensions and install the one that shows up. Once installed, click the Stylus icon in your browser toolbar. This will allow you to create a new style for the Blooket website. Select Create New Style for Blooket.com. A text editor will appear. This is where you can add CSS code. This is a little more advanced, so don't be afraid to search online for pre-made Blooket Tower Defense background styles. A quick search for Blooket CSS themes will yield many copy and paste options to insert into the style editor. Paste the code into the text editor. This code will typically target the tower defense game area and replace the background with your custom image. Save the style in Stylus and refresh your Blooket Tower Defense game. You should now see your custom background. Remember to tweak the CSS to perfectly fit your chosen image. Have fun creating a unique tower defense experience.